GPT 5.2 is rolling out today, December 11th. There are 4 things that will actually change your professional workflow. Looks like this is OpenAI's code-red response to the competition. First, thinking power. This model isn't just chatting, it's crushing knowledge work. On the GDP evaluation, it's the first model to perform at or above a human expert level. It beats top professionals on 70.9% of tasks at 11 times the speed for less than 1% of the cost of an expert. Now you do the math. For developers, meet your new co-pilot. GPT 5.2 sets a new state-of-the-art 55.6% on SWE Bench Pro, which is software engineering. This means it can reliably debug production code, refactor large code bases, and ship fixes end-to-end. If you work on UI or 3D elements, this is your breakthrough. Next, vision. GPT 5.2 is our strongest vision model yet, cutting error rates roughly in half. It can accurately interpret your visual reports, dashboards, technical diagrams. Its spatial understanding enables it to solve visual spatial problems that challenge previous models. Finally, the agentic power of tool calling. GPT 5.2 achieves a new state-of-the-art 98.7% on TauSquare Bench. This is a benchmark framework for evaluating conversational agents. GPT 5.2 is rolling out today, starting with paid Chatgpt plans. Enjoy and follow for more.